Good day, everyone. I'm John Kenneth M. Flores, and today we'll be learning median tests. So let's start. First, our objective. Our objective is in this presentation we will understand what is mean, median, mode, and range are. Learn how to calculate each measure and apply this concept to solve real-world problems. So let's start with a number set. What is a number set? Mean, median, mode, and range are measures used to analyze number sets. These number sets are collection of numbers. A number set is defined by the total numbers inside the set. We can use parentheses to define the set. A set can look like this: 12, 15, 18, 20, and 25. So, let's go over to mean. So what is mean? Mean is the average of the numbers set. To calculate the mean, we add together all the numbers in set, then divide it by the total count of numbers. So let's solve the mean. So 10 plus 15 is 25, plus 20, it's 45, plus 25, it's 70, plus 30, it's 100. So we divide it with the total count of the number set. So we have 5. So 100 divided by 5 equals to 20. So our mean is 20. So let us now talk about the median. So what is the median? Median is the middle number in a set, where the numbers are arranged from the smallest to largest. So we have two ways to get our median. So if the number set is odd, the middle number is our median. But if the number set is even, the middle number is the average of the two middle number. Okay, so our median is the average of the two middle numbers if it's even. So for example, for our odd median. So let's use this number set: 12, 25, 18, 20, and 15. First, we arrange the number from smallest to largest. So our smallest is 12, then followed by 15, 18, 20, and 25. So because our number set is odd, it's five numbers only. So we don't have to solve anything because our median or medium is in the middle where it is 18. For example 2, this is what we use when our number set is even. So let's use this number: 12, 25, 18, and 20. First, let's arrange it from the small to largest, like what we did earlier. So our smallest is 12, followed by 18, then 20, and finally 25. So because we have a even number in our number set, because it's only four numbers inside our number set, so we need to take the average of the two middle numbers. So how do we solve it? So here is how do we solve it. So how to solve the median is equals to 18 plus 20. So we take the average of the middle two numbers. So we first add the 18 plus 20, which become 38. So then we have to divide it by 2 because there are only two um, we are solving, the 18 and 20. So 38 divided by 2, it's 19. Now let's go with the mode. So what is the mode? Mode is the number that appears most often in our number set. Our number set can have one mode, two or more modes, or have no modes at all. For example, let's take a look and use this number set: 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 12. This set has two numbers that appear more than once. So what are those numbers? It's 9 and 10. So our mode is 9 and 10. Next, let's talk about the range. So what is the range? The range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest value in the number set. So how do we solve the range? Range is equals to the largest value minus to the smallest value. For example, let's use this number set: 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So how do we solve our range? Again, largest value minus smallest value. So what is our largest value? It's 25. Then what is our smallest value? That's right, 5. So let's substitute that into our largest and smallest value, which is 25 and 5. So it will be 25 minus 5. So our range is 20 because 25 minus 5 is 20. So now let's practice. Let's use this number set: 5, 10, 12, 15, 12, 20, and 25. So let's find each of the following: mean, median, mode, and range. So pause this video to answer the following. Are you done? So let's check your answers. Wow, you did a very good job. So how can we apply this knowledge into the real world problems? For example, average test scores in class. We can use mean to get our average test scores in class. And for the median, we can find the middle income salary in a city by using the median. Okay? And for the mode, the most common shoe size in the stores. Is it 41, 42, 43? Who knows? And for the range, the temperature range in a month. To summarize what we learned today, let's take notes on the key word. Mean is the average number. Median is the middle number. Mode is the common number. And range is the difference between the largest and the smallest number. If there are any question, just message me for clarification. And that's all for tonight. Thank you and God bless.